Okay guys, so this is number 21. 21 times we're helping again. I'm so proud and I'm so happy to give you this video for you. Please watch it. Spend 4 minutes of your time. 4 freaking minutes. Learn something from this video. Look how these people live. Please appreciate and think what you have and where you are. Okay? It doesn't matter when you're watching this video. The most important is what you're going to do about that. Okay? Learn something. Go and help somebody. This time, we help again over 20 children. Now we are in negotiating to get a teacher to teach them for 1 year, okay? To give them free materials for the school. Not free, we're going to purchase them. And teacher who going to cost us a monthly, we're going to pay her every single month to give education to these children. Just imagine we can change their life, okay? Don't be greedy. If you make some money in this crazy crypto market, go and share. We'll be more than happy if you want to help me on this journey, okay? Because I'm only one man. People help me sometimes. Most people don't help me because they only are greedy, okay? They're making and they're giving for their self. You must share because more you give is more you receive. And the quote of today is, things always, most of the time, get better with time. Give some time. Love you. Watch the video.
This is the central slum area here in the Jaipur city, Rajasthan, India. And these are the kids here. So thank you, Phil, for again taking this initiative and helping these kids. So this time we are again buying stuff for them. So they all live here in these houses where they don't have any essential requirement and all, and most of the time these kids are engaged in begging and all. So we are trying to help them to come into the mainstream so they can get some little bit education and skills, so they can live with utmost dignity and whatever they need for their life. So now we are going to the market where we are going to buy stuff for all of them. So now we are in the market buying stuff for the kids. These are bananas. This is bread. This is a pack of glucose biscuit. These are trays of eggs. And this is buttermilk. So now we are heading towards the school, going for the kids. See you there. So now we have reached here again, and this is the stuff we have bought for the kids. You can see the fruits, bananas, these are bread, these are eggs. It's very essential for the kids, growing kids, because they don't get protein here, because their parents are earning just couple of dollars, so they don't they're unable to provide them essential diet and all require basic diet required for the growing children. So these are buttermilk, these are glucose biscuits. So we are going to distribute all of them. So hopefully kids would be very happy. So now we are distributing. First starting with the bananas. There is also a school here, which we are trying to get a teacher for them, so that they can get regular education. So someday we will try to show you that school also, makeshift school where their children are inculcated with the education. the basic education, so that they, you know, they can get out from the poverty and live with all basic required skill and earn their livelihood with all, you know, dignity and courage. So now we are leaving. It was a great day with the kids. Kids are quite happy. Thank you, Phil, for making their day a wonderful experience, getting them you know, essential meals full of nutrition. Hope these kids one day will be come out from the evil of this poverty and can get into the mainstream. Thank you. Bye.